This story will improve your English fast. Listen carefully and learn naturally. Emma was nervous. Today was her first day at a new job in London. She spoke English, but not perfectly. Every morning, she practiced alone in front of her mirror, repeating phrases and trying to sound natural. But speaking with real people, that was a whole different challenge. When Emma walked into the bright, busy office, her new manager, a friendly woman named Sarah, greeted her with a warm smile. "Good morning, Emma. How are you today?" "We're so glad to have you." Emma took a small breath. She paused for just a second, then answered, "I'm good, thank you." "It's very nice to meet you." Her voice was soft, but she made sure it sounded confident. Later that day, a coworker named Jack leaned over his desk. "Hey Emma," he said, "a few of us are grabbing a sandwich for lunch. Do you want to join?" Emma's first thought was to say no. She was so afraid of making embarrassing mistakes. What if they laughed at her accent? What if she couldn't understand them? But then, she remembered something important her old teacher told her. You don't improve your English by staying silent. You improve by speaking. So, she pushed her fear aside, looked at Jack, and smiled. "Yes, I'd love to. Thank you for asking." At lunch, sitting around a small table, Emma listened carefully. It was true, she didn't understand every single word. The conversation was fast, with lots of jokes and slang she had never heard before. But she understood the main idea, the feeling of the conversation. At one point, Jack noticed she was quiet. He turned to her and said, "Don't worry about making mistakes. We all learn by trying. My French is terrible, but I still try when I'm in Paris." That single moment, that small kindness, changed everything for Emma. She started speaking more, asking questions, and sharing her own stories. Yes, she made mistakes. Sometimes she used the wrong word or her grammar was a bit off. But she laughed about it, her colleagues helped her, and most importantly, she learned. Weeks turned into months. The nervous Emma from the first day was gone. Now, she was joining conversations with ease. She spoke faster, she understood almost everything, and that constant fear in her stomach had disappeared. Emma didn't become fluent overnight, it was a slow process. But she improved every single day, just by trying. And you know what? So can you. From this story, let's remember 3 key words. First, nervous, that feeling of being a little afraid or worried, just like Emma on her first day. Second, confident, that's believing in yourself, which Emma learned to feel. And third, mistake, which is just an error or something you get wrong. Remember, making mistakes is a normal, essential part of learning anything new. Confidence only comes with practice. So, if you want to improve your English fast, listen to stories like this one, repeat the sentences you hear, and find small opportunities to speak every single day. Even a simple hello or thank you is a step forward. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe for more English lessons and stories to help you learn. And always remember, your English gets better every single time you try. Thanks for watching.